Hey guys, welcome back to the class. Today we are going to complete sales and distribution in our enterprise structure. So let's type quickly transaction code SPRO, then we can click to the implementation guide. After we need to open the enterprise structure. Under enterprise structure, we can click on the definition. So from the quick recap standpoint, as of now, we have completed financial accounting, controlling, logistic general, and today I'm going to complete sales and distribution. So it is absolutely clear from the name, sales mean making the sales and distribution mean making the distribution of the material or services or goods to the end customer. We can see the documentation for the definition, right? And the first step would be to create the sales organization here. So from the documentation standpoint, if I'll give you the definition in single liner, so a sales organization is responsible for selling material and services. This is the single liner definition of sales organization. Okay, close this window, click on the execute button, define sales organization. Again, we have two ways to create the sales organization. Either we can copy the existing one or we can create the new entry as well. So let me go with the new entry. So I'm going to create RCC1 and this is going to be sales organization for 029 Software Private Limited. Below this, there are two more tabs, detailed information and LE data for purchase order. Please keep in mind there will be n number of questions from the screen. So please spend some time on the screen. In case if you have any questions, please feel free to connect with me over the chat window. You can use the comment section or you can send me the email as well. We will be covering these fields in detail in our upcoming classes. Okay, so hit enter. If there is no error, then we can save this record. Then we need to provide the physical address of the sales organization. Currently, I am keeping only country, but in real scenario, you need to fill all the details. Click OK. Then we need to select the customizing request, which is our CR number. And I have clicked OK. System will create sales organization in a second. Perfect. So data was saved. That means our RCC1 sales organization has been created now. Okay, so we can close this window. Now the next is distribution channel. Just quick example. So making the distribution of goods to the end customer is your distribution channel. It can be indirect or it can be direct as well. Few examples for indirect. If for example, if we are buying mobile phone from the retailer shop, so that is indirect. But in case if some corporate want to have, if any corporate want to make the bulk purchase, then there might be a possible that the manufacturer of mobile can directly supplies the mobile headsets to that particular company. Or if I'll give you one more example, like Apollo tires, right? If you want to buy the tire for your personal car, then you need to visit nearby showroom of Apollo where you can buy the tires. But in case if I'll go back to the any car manufacturing industry, then definitely there will be a supply of tires directly from the Apollo itself. So this is my quick examples for the distribution channels. Okay, so let me click on the new entry and I'll create Q1 for, you can say, distribution channel for 29 direct, and I'll create Q2 as a indirect. So that at the last I have given D or ID. D indicates direct distribution, ID indicates indirect distribution. Hit OK, then save the records, select the CR, that's all. So you have created the distribution channel as well. Now go back, close this window, click on the maintain sales office, click on the new entry, provide the code, provide the description. So I can say this is 4029 Software Private Limited and this is going to my Gurgaon sales office. Okay, hit enter, provide the address, click OK, select the CR now and close the window. Perfect. So we have created the sales office as well. Definition we can see from the documentation tab. Now maintaining the sales group, the same process. I'll create RCC. This is going to be sales group for my Gurgaon store. RC1 is going to be sales group for the Delhi store. Okay, hit save button, select the CR, that's all. Now sales group is group of people who are responsible for to make the sale. Okay, for more information you can still use the documentation tab, where you will be able to find single liner definition for each of the component under sales and distribution. Now, as per our today's agenda, we have completed the sales and distribution. In my next video, I am going to cover material management and logistic execution. Till the time, please do the practice. In case if you have any question, if you have any query, then you know how you can connect with me, right? You can connect with me over the chat window, over the comment section, or you can use my email address as well. Till the time, do the practice. Thank you so much for your time. Stay healthy, stay happy. Thank you.